Welcome to the first segment of our series on enhancing male vitality through natural methods, focusing on the crucial role of blood flow. Optimal circulation is fundamental for overall health, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen throughout the body, especially vital for men's health. When blood flow is compromised, it can lead to various issues, impacting energy levels, cognitive function, and even sexual health. Today, we'll explore how proper hydration and the right electrolytes can significantly improve your circulation. Many people are chronically dehydrated, which thickens the blood and makes it harder for the heart to pump efficiently. Electrolytes such as sodium, potassium, and magnesium are crucial for maintaining fluid balance and nerve function. Natural mineral salts, like Himalayan or Celtic sea salt, are excellent sources of these vital electrolytes. These salts contain over 80 trace minerals that support numerous bodily functions, including blood pressure regulation and muscle contraction. One of the most significant benefits of these natural salts is their ability to help the body produce nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a powerful vasodilator, meaning it relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. This improved blood flow can lead to better nutrient delivery, enhanced oxygenation, and increased energy. To harness these benefits, we recommend a simple power water recipe. Simply add a pinch of Himalayan or Celtic sea salt to a liter of filtered water. Stir until the salt dissolves completely, creating a mineral-rich beverage. Drink this throughout the day to maintain optimal hydration and electrolyte balance. For an even greater impact on blood flow, pair your power water with deep breathing exercises. Deep breathing stimulates the vagus nerve, which helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Combine these simple practices daily to experience noticeable improvements in your energy, focus, and overall vitality. Remember, consistency is key to achieving lasting results. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we'll delve into other natural strategies for optimizing male health. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. Welcome back to our series on enhancing male vitality through improved circulation. Today, we'll delve into practical steps for long-term circulation support. Optimizing your mineral intake, particularly through mineral-rich water, is crucial. The best times to consume this water are first thing in the morning and before bed. Starting your day with mineral water helps rehydrate your body after sleep, while drinking it before bed supports overnight cellular repair and circulation. The correct dosage for mineral-rich water is surprisingly simple, just a small pinch of high-quality sea salt or Himalayan pink salt added to your glass. This small amount provides essential electrolytes without overdoing it, aiding in hydration and nerve function vital for healthy blood flow. Beyond mineral water, a balanced diet plays a pivotal role. Incorporate foods rich in potassium and magnesium, such as bananas and avocados. These foods are natural vasodilators, helping to relax blood vessels and improve overall circulation throughout your body. Adequate sleep is another cornerstone of good circulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. During sleep, your heart rate and blood pressure decrease, giving your cardiovascular system a much-needed rest and promoting efficient blood flow. Regular stretching and light exercise are also vital. Simple stretches can significantly improve flexibility and stimulate blood flow to your muscles and extremities. Even short, consistent stretching routines can make a big difference in preventing stiffness and enhancing circulation. Recognizing signs of mineral deficiency is important. Symptoms like muscle cramps, persistent fatigue, and restless legs can indicate an imbalance. Other indicators might include frequent headaches, dizziness, or a general feeling of weakness, all of which can be linked to poor circulation. If you experience these signs, it's a cue to reevaluate your mineral intake and overall lifestyle habits. Consistency is key to achieving lasting improvements in your circulation and overall vitality. Small, daily habits accumulate into significant health benefits. Embrace these natural methods with patience and dedication, and you'll notice a remarkable difference in your energy levels and well-being. Thank you for joining us in this series. We hope this practical guidance empowers you on your journey to enhance circulation and a more vibrant life.